Welcome back everybody to another episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. I am your host Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and let's go ahead and get this episode started. This is not our first round, but this hydro sport seems to be rocking it pretty good, but as we can tell, it looks like it's going to be a little bit of a rough day in Haulover, and it's going to be interesting to see how the boats handle it today. Our first boat to do battle with Haulover Inlet this week is going to be a Midnight Express, and they're going to show us what it's like when you come through Haulover and you lose something, kind of like we see right there. They've lost a cushion. I'm assuming this is an initial quality control test, and this is probably a new boat. Now, I could be very wrong, but this crew here driving the vessel does appear to work for Midnight Express, and they wind up actually having to call backup in to come help them get this cushion, and the backup that shows up also works for Midnight Express. So it's just an estimate in my mind that this is probably a new boat, and it looks like quality control's failing a little bit here because they look like they're about to lose another cushion as well. We will go ahead and give this first round to Haulover since this vessel couldn't make it out unscathed. If you want to see the full cushion rescue, I'll go ahead and leave that clip at the end of this video, but for now, this round goes to Haulover Inlet. Our second vessel to do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when it's just not your day to go through Haulover. And right here, as we already saw, Haulover's banging a little bit today, and it's definitely not the day to take a small chaparral through, especially with a single 200 on the back, and these guys look like they're having a hell of a ride trying to get out, but I got a feeling we're about to see one of those infamous Haulover U-turns. And this wave right here is likely the one to cause it, as we go ahead and fill that bow up with water, and we can tell right now they're already waffling. The captain's sitting here trying to decide whether he wants to turn it around. The wife's probably already yelling at him, say, honey, what the hell are you doing? Head back to the sandbar. And it looks like he's going to listen to her, and that's probably the wise choice in this situation. But of course, as we know right here, this round's going to go to Haulover Inlet. This is going to give Haulover a pretty early 2-0 lead, especially in a 5-round contest. That should make things interesting for the rest of this contest. But you know what? Let's go ahead and throw the boats a bone, because some of these boats just can handle Haulover. It doesn't matter what the conditions are. Kind of like this Freeman right here. It doesn't seem to matter. These big cats, the Freemans and the Invincibles, well, they just seem to blast through Haulover. It doesn't seem to matter what's going on. So right here, this is kind of like a layup, give me to the boats. Because as you can tell here, this Freeman is making short, easy work of Haulover Inlet, and this round will actually go to the boats just like projected. That's going to take us into our fourth round, where we're going to show another vessel that's absolutely crushing Haulover. Now, this one isn't a catamaran. This is one of the new big scouts, and I'll tell you what, this boat looks absolutely incredible coming through Haulover. With the quad 450s on the back, this guy's got this vessel trimmed out just right. It is riding on the right running plane for this incident, and is really making this look like an easy battle with Haulover. This vessel's going to come through here and make it through pretty flawlessly, just like our last catamaran, and that's going to give this round to the boats as well. So the boats make a little bit of a comeback here at the end, and that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats, or will it be Haulover Inlet? Well, we're going to go ahead and let the vessel El Nino make that decision for us, and here he comes rolling through Haulover Inlet, this Mako on a single Johnson 150. Let's see how my man handles it. He looks pretty confident behind the wheel, kind of like he knows what's going on. Let's see if that confidence actually exudes over into slaying Haulover Inlet. He's rolling through pretty solid, and no, he's going to stuff the bow. My man is completely drenched after that one. He should absolutely go ahead and change the name of this vessel from the El Nino to the Wob, and if you don't know what that is, go ahead and look up that Cardi B song WAP and you'll kind of get the idea. Our man's going to try and finish coming through Haulover, but the damage has already been done. I don't think he can do anything any more than this. Another try and stuff the bow again, but you know what? We're going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover, and that's going to give this episode to Haulover. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Speaking of enjoying this week's episode, last week we had a little bit of a controversy on which boat won. I'll let you guys go ahead and vote, and I said I'd call a few of you out, so I want to thank these guys for voting in the last episode. S-Site, Hewith52, William Duncan, Connor O'Brien, Andy Bailey, Guppy Galaxy, James Johnston, and Chris Thompson. Thanks for your help, guys. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet, my channel Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well, and also our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, which focuses on all the craziness that happens at the boat ramps around Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button and hang out to watch that cushion rescue from the beginning of the video.
I hope Midnight's paying you extra for this. That's why I go so too. Damn, we got pretty close, bro. gonna sell it on eBay.
He won't get much for that.
Hey, you said it, not me. Take care, brother.